Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. As you know, this is the Morpankhi plant. According to Vastu Shastro, this is a very lucky plant for our houses. According to Vastu Shastro, this brings prosperity and happiness in our house. And this is also a very good ornamental plant for our gardens. It is not only a good looking ornamental plant or a lucky plant in Vastu Shastro, this also has many health benefits. We all want this plant to be green, but most of the time this is our plant's health. So the first step is to remove all the seed pods that you see in your plants. If you wish to, you can grow new plants with those seed pods, and if you want to know how you can do that video is already in our channel. Next, you have to remove all the dry leaves. You can simply do it by shaking the plant, or you can also remove them by hand picking. Till the time we do not remove these dry leaves, new branching would not come to the plants. So it is very essential to remove all the dry leaves that you see in your plant either by shaking or hand picking. After removing the dry leaves, all you have to do is to remove the leaves that are touching the soil and prune your plant. As you already know, pruning the plant helps your plant become more bushier. We have already told in our earlier videos that no leaf should be touching the soil, as this increases the chance of a bacterial or fungal disease. So my mom removed all the lower leaves, and in this way the soil can also get some sunlight. In this process, my mom also removed all the left dead or damaged leaves that were still in the plants. So after this, there were no dead or damaged leaves in our plants anymore. After that, my mom will remove the topsoil of the plant. Even though during this time my mom will not give any kind of solid manures and my mom will only give the liquid fertilizers, my mom is still removing the topsoil of the plant. This is because this plant has been in our garden for almost 6 years. So this plant has lots of root bound, but as it's in a very big pot, my mom cannot change the pots anymore. This is because the pots are too heavy to remove. So what my mom does is she removes the topsoil 2 times per year and replaces it with some kind of manures or fertilizers. And after all of this, my mom will simply water the plants. Watering the plants will help the plant feel refreshed, and it will help the plant get more branching. Also, do you all want to know how you can make skincare or face care with this plant's leaves? If you would like to know that, then make sure to tell us in the comment, and our next video will be about that only. That's all. If you liked this video, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.